What's going on, guys? Back again with another video. So this may chalk up to be one of my most favorite mods for the car. So it's dirty, don't judge, just had a rainstorm here. Haven't had time to clean it yet, but we're going to be putting the exhaust on today. So I just got it in, just actually unpackaged it. Looks amazing. Shout out to MAPerformance and the guys over there. Great looking exhaust. Judging from what I can tell in YouTube videos, I mean, it sounds just as good as it looks. So I'm really excited. We're going to be putting it on the Civic right now. So I'm going to go ahead and put my work suit on again, and we're going to grab the exhaust, put the Civic up on the drive-on ramps, and we're going to get working on it. I would go ahead and show you guys what the exhaust looked like. So here it is before going on the car. Welds are pretty good. Whole exhaust is looking awesome. So, you know, I've never actually had blue tips on my cars before. I just never felt like it was, I guess, the right thing to go with the car. I mean, I've always had red cars, and I thought red car, blue tip, I don't know, just never really was my thing. But I mean, with the gray, I just feel like the blue tips would serve it justice, and these blue tips look amazing. Double walled, 3-inch all the way around. Gonna be living the Civic life, so I don't know, I thought it was cool, and it was the same price, so whatever. This is the street exhaust, so we have two of the ultra quiet resonators. Believe these are both from Vibrant. If my vision serves me correctly, they look a lot like the ones Vibrant sells, and I believe there's Vibrant stickers in the package, so that would outline that. And I think it's going to sound really good, especially when we get the down pipe and the front pipe on there. But for now, it's just stock, so should still sound good. But I'm excited, so let's go ahead and throw it on the car. You know, not gonna lie, this is probably one of the best things I think I've ever purchased. It's literally so easy to get the rear end of the car up. But I mean, look at that. It's like super high off the ground. So should make it very easy to install the exhaust. I'm just hoping there's enough room over here in the front to disconnect it from the front pipe. Worst case, just do that at a later stage, but I think we are ready. Just got the old exhaust out. It's a little bit of a piece of work. Super easy to unbolt. I mean, there's 3 bolts and that's it on this exhaust. The rest of it's held up by hangers. But the hangers in the back were a complete pain. So here it is. I never actually noticed with this car. This specific end is actually oval shaped, so it's not round like the rest of the exhaust. You can see up here it comes out circular, and then the farther and farther it goes back, more it turns into an oval. So I thought that was pretty interesting. And then you can see the looks like the exhaust diameter coming out of here is maybe not, maybe slightly bigger on this side, but you can definitely tell that it's a lot smaller right there. So here it is versus the new exhaust. I think it's gonna sound amazing. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna transition the hangers onto the new exhaust. And then we're gonna get all of the hardware set up. And I'm gonna loosely connect it all and fit it perfectly, get everything fitting awesome. Then we're gonna tighten it up. And then we're gonna do a little sound clips. All right, little update for you guys. Just got the adapter on. So next order of business, go ahead and put this section on, and then we'll go ahead and do the, well, this is the mid section, I guess. We'll do the connector section, and then we can finally get the axle back. All right, guys, the exhaust is officially in. So everything is bolted up underneath. Everything is taken care of, minus me putting the tools away. I haven't done that yet. But as you can see, it's all bolted up and going all the way up to the front. The quad tips look way better in real life. Yeah, see, now you can see where the car's dirty. They look way better in real life than I actually thought they did. I kept seeing them in videos and I was like, man, they look okay, but they look way better in real life than I thought they would. So I'm gonna put the tools away, change back out of my clothes, and gonna give it a first start up and see how it sounds. All right, first start. Let's hope there's no leaks. Here we go. It's not even loud, that's good. not blazingly loud. Give you guys a couple revs, but probably gonna leave it to a full exhaust video for like tons of clips and stuff. But make sure to include a couple things on this video. But if you want to see the actual exhaust vid, I'll try and link it in the description once it comes out. But for now, I'll give you guys a couple revs just so you can hear it. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to say thank you for watching. Sorry, it was a little bit of a short video and I kind of slacked on the filming a little bit. Just kind of wanted to get it in, and it was a little difficult to, you know, juggle the filming and do everything by myself. So anyways, thanks again for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and like the video if you liked it. Just definitely smash the like button for the MAP exhaust, guys. And definitely turn on the notifications so you can see the next couple videos. Should have an autocross video coming out after the exhaust one. So yeah, like I said, guys, thanks again for watching. I'll link the exhaust in the description, and thanks again to MAP for making a great exhaust. See you guys in the next video.